How many of y'all asking if Kiki love you? I ask myself a lot. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Alright, let me stop. Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat. What? Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today I am going to be recreating Juju from Love and Hip Hop's Instagram pic of her having this really beautiful shimmery green eyeshadow look. She posted it a few days ago and I was totally inspired. I will have the picture probably now. So I was so inspired when I saw this picture. It was bright, it was colorful, and I knew I just had to recreate it. So this is the look I came up with. If you want to see how I got it, please continue to watch. Alright, so disclaimer. This look is either going to look amazing or it's going to look crazy. So I've already done my brows. I did them bolder than I normally have been doing them lately because her brows are really bold. In the picture it was, they were there. They were substantial. I respect it. And I already set my lids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I use that to carve out my brows. And I set my brows and my lids with the Mercier translucent setting powder. So let's start this tutorial. Excuse how ratchet my palette looks. I've shown this palette a lot of love. I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place palette. This is the Nubian 2, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is the color Madagascar, and I'm gonna go in with a transition shade. So I'm gonna put this on my crease. I can't really tell from the picture if she has a transition shade, but I'm gonna assume that she does. So next, I'm going to take this small smudging brush from Coastal Scents that doesn't have a name on it, so I can't actually tell you what it is, but it's really tiny. It's rounded off at the top and it's flat. I'm going to take this brush and I am going to use this to put on my first color green. And I'm actually going to dive into the Violet Voss Rainbow palette. And I'm going to pick up Seafoam right here. That one right there. And I'm going to put that on the inner portion of my eye. Alright, so that's Seafoam by itself, but I'm going to foil it. So I'm going to pick some Seafoam up on that brush, and I'm going to take my Smashbox primer water and I'm going to spray my brush and try to get this to pop a little bit more in my eye. Alright, so now that Seafoam is on my eyes, I'm going to clean off my brush, the same brush, in my little swatch. And I'm going to then pick up the Juvia's Place palette, and this one is the Masquerade mini palette, and I'm going to pick up Mally. which is this green right here, and I'm gonna have that be kind of like my middle color. Alright, so now that I have that color in the middle part of my lid, I'm going to foil it. So I'm going to pick some up with the brush and do the same thing like I did with the first color. I'm going to spray it, throw it on my eyes, you know how that goes. So I'm picking up with the brush and spray it. So next I'm going to take another Juvia's Place palette. This is the Nubian 2 again. And I'm going to pick up Egypt, which is right here, which is this beautiful green color right here. And I'm now going to put that on the ends of my eyes. Alright, now that I have Egypt placed on my eyes, I'm also going to foil that as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the Masquerade Mini and put a little bit more of that lighter green in the middle. And blend that in with Egypt. I have a feeling this look is going to be one of those looks that's going to look crazy until the very end. Now I'm going to take another Morphe M441 brush, and I am going to go into the Juvia's Place mini Masquerade palette, and I'm gonna pick up Zulu, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna try to kind of blend this out a little bit just so it's not so harsh. Now I'm going to take a makeup removing wipe and kind of get off all this fallout and kind of fix the shape a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to do my foundation off camera, and then I'm going to come back and finish my eyes. So my girl Juju had wing liner on, so I'm gonna put wing liner on. I am using the Stila Stay All Day liquid liner in Intense Black. Now that I have wing liner on, I'm going to take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eye pencil in the color 0 and put that in my waterline. Now that we have that, I'm going to go into the Masquerade palette again, and I'm going to pick up the color Mally, and I'm going to put that on the innermost part of my under eye, like so. Now that I have Mally in my inner to halfway on my under eye, I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to pick up Egypt again from the Nubian 2 palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to put that on the outermost part of my lower lash line. Now that I have that color on my outer part of my lower lash line. I'm going to take this fluffy eyeshadow brush, it's really tiny, and kind of blend that out. Alright, now that I have that all blended out, I'm going to take some mascara. I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, the green one, and I'm going to put mascara on my top lashes. Alright, now that I have mascara on, the last thing I have to do is set, and then this look is done. Alright, so this is the final look, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of living for it. I mean, it's a look. It's a look. It's not an everyday look, and I'm pretty sure that I don't look as flawless as Juju, because she looked fantastic. But I mean, it's a look. Like, it's cute. I'm feeling it. Yeah, so I'm a mess. Yeah, I kind of like it. I'm digging it. I think it's really pretty. It's really great for the season that we're in. Yeah, I'm feeling it. So thank you, Juju, for inspiring me to do this look, you know.